At Stand and Deliver, we believe that all learning integrates thinking and doing. So our work is dynamic, active, and experiential rather than a series of lectures in a dark room with PowerPoint slides. We teach a specific set of methodologies for crafting compelling narratives, for developing executive presence, and most importantly, for managing one's mindset, especially in high-stakes situations. We help clients create clarity in their communication, because once you have a clear intention, your whole being issues forth a set of instructions and mobilizes your mental, spiritual, and physical faculties to act. All the principles that we cover are quickly put into practice with in-the-moment activities and challenges, because you can't learn to ride a bike sitting in a chair, so everything we teach is followed by practice in small breakout rooms where people not only get feedback on how they can grow, but also about their virtues. Most of us have a long list of things we know we need to work on, but we don't hear enough about what's really effective in the way that we're engaging others, and everyone needs to know their strengths. We're all storytellers, but not everyone is listening. We all deserve to be seen, to be heard, to be recognized, but not everybody is listening. We all have something that we want to contribute, some unique idea or quality, but not everyone is listening. At Stand and Deliver, we're turning that around. We're helping people come together in ways that create a kind of professional intimacy, where they're seeing each other, they're listening to each other, they're having dialogues on a much deeper level. What distinguishes Stand and Deliver is that we all come from a performance background. And whether you're an athlete or an actor or a leader, your ability to perform often comes down to one thing, and it's not experience or intelligence, it's mindset. Under pressure, it's always the emotional and psychological state of the performer that determines their ability to achieve their full potential. So a core part of our work is about helping executives prepare for high-stakes events with a preparation methodology for creating an optimum state. We work with executives to re-examine their limiting beliefs, to focus the mind's eye, and to engage their whole being in creating a transformational experience for their teams. The ability to listen, the ability to communicate, and the ability to inspire others.